The electronic parking brake, or EPB, is engaged with the lever on the left side of the instrument panel. To engage it, come to a complete stop, then pull the lever towards you while holding the brake pedal. The electronic parking brake will release automatically if the vehicle is in drive or reverse, and then press the accelerator pedal. But for this to happen, you must have the driver's seatbelt fastened, all doors closed, and the hood and trunk fully closed. To release the parking brake manually, press the brake pedal and push the electronic parking brake engagement lever to release. The auto hold feature in your Genesis helps maintain the vehicle in a standstill, even though the brake pedal is not depressed after the driver brings the vehicle to a complete stop by depressing the brake pedal. This can allow you to rest your foot at a long stoplight, for instance, without the need to keep the brake pedal applied at all times. To use auto hold, press the auto hold button located near the shift knob. The white auto hold indicator will come on, letting you know the system is in standby. Now, when you stop the vehicle completely by pressing the brake pedal, the auto hold indicator turns from white to green. Auto hold will maintain brake pressure to hold the vehicle stationary, even if you release the brake pedal. Auto hold will be released when you depress the accelerator pedal with the vehicle in drive or manual mode. Restart the cruise control using the plus or minus switch. Apply the electronic parking brake. You can also cancel auto hold by pressing the brake pedal and pressing the auto hold switch. To prevent sudden movement, Genesis recommends that you always press your foot on the brake pedal to cancel auto hold before you drive downhill, drive in reverse, or park the vehicle. To use auto hold, the hood and driver's door must remain closed at all times. And for your safety, the auto hold automatically activates the electronic parking brake if the hood or driver's door is opened, the vehicle is at a standstill for more than 10 minutes, the vehicle is on a steep slope, the vehicle moves several times. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult My Genesis.